Hey Flip-Flop Farmers, what's up? It's Dave Anderson on the Flip-Flop Farm. It's about day 317 of the coronavirus quarantine. I hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, practicing social distancing. I'm back here in the back 2-5 working on the chicken coop, been putting on a roof. Guess what happened? I ran out of roofing nails. So now I have a problem. Since I'm practicing safe distancing and all that kind of stuff, social distancing, whatever it's called, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to Lowe's. I'm not going to Ace. I'm not going to a local hardware store. I'm just going to sweat this thing out. But I'm out of roofing nails and I'm about 10 shingles left to go. So I'm probably going to try and order some online from Lowe's. Here's the thing. You never want to run out of supplies during a pandemic. So I don't want you to run out of supplies either. Guess what? I've got a surprise for you. First, I'm going to come down off the ladder though. My neighbors might think it's strange I'm up here in my boxer shorts and my flip-flops. And the reason is, it's hot as balls here in Florida. It's 9:30 in the morning and it's hot already. So I'm down here in the shade of the chicken coop and it's not quite finished. It's going slow. The chickens get here in 2 weeks. I need to speed it up, but I'm going to do something for you. I've been telling you, I'm going to give away a $25 gift card for my 500 subscribers. So here's what I want you to do. Go to my website, www.flipflopfarmer.tv/500 subs, or just go to the main page, flipflopfarmer.tv, and click enter to win. Now I want to give this $25 gift card away. I want you to see that it's actually real, and I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. So the ways you can win is enter the form on my website, flipflopfarmer.tv/500 subs. And I'm going to send you a link to my other social media channels, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. Also, I put a link in the description down below so you can just click on those if you want to. But I want you to make sure you go to each one of my social media channels, follow me, and subscribe. I promise you, they're a lot of fun. I want you to subscribe to those pages and put a comment on them. And for every subscription and comment, you'll get another entry. So if you comment on my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you subscribe to them or follow me or whatever their mechanism is, then I will enter you again so you can get about 5 or 6 entries. I want to give you this $25 gift card as my way of saying thanks for following me on the Flip-Flop Farmer. Thanks for helping me get to 500 subscribers. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Oh, make sure you're subscribed. Leave me a comment down below. That'll get you an extra entry. Thanks a lot.